Okay, off to look at some e-bikes.
Crazy. You crazy.
Laptop. Okay, we made it to the bike shop and we're about to go in and check out some e-bikes. Not sure if we're going to buy one here, but at least we want to just look at them and figure out the right size for Leslie. Oh, we're at Crazy Lenny's e-bike shop in Winter Garden, Florida. There she is, the driver of the RV and maybe an e-bike rider soon. Let's check him out.
But it makes no sense. I need space to find myself, a little time to get some rest. If I stay, I lose my breath. I'm going to find my space. We did it before, now I'm up and down. When I just wanna stay high.
Okay, successful trip to the bike shop.
We're broke now.
It's just money. It's made up.
We're broke now. Somebody got an e-bike.
We're still broke.
What do you think, Zuka?
He's ready to go home.
Mommy's got herself a new e-bike. So we ended up buying a bike. Fits her perfect. We're gonna get it adjusted, cleaned up, charged up, and I'll come back tomorrow, pick it up. And guess what? She's driving home. Who? What? Rub your neck?
No. Can you give me a Dr. Pepper?
Oh my God, I'm not allowed to leave the seat while
Why?
we're in transit.
We're not transiting. We're at the
We
light.
are. This is still considered transiting. I don't have these requests.
I get your snacks. I do recall.
Easy now,
I am.
This is not a car.
I am. See? Gentle.
Gentle. Okay, so we have these two, I'm gonna go down here. We have these two e-bikes now, and anybody that owns an e-bike knows they're pretty heavy. And it's not that I can't lift them, but they're about 60-65 pounds each. So they would have to go onto the bike rack each time. Obviously I've done it before, but I'm just gonna try a little experiment. I'm gonna try to build a ramp for my bike rack so that I can hopefully just push the bikes up the ramp to the bike rack, and then we'll see if it's going to be easier for me to load them up that way. All I got is this 2x8 by, I think it's 8 feet long. I won't use all of that, and a pack of hinges, as well as the hardware for the ramp. So that'll sit like this when it's finished. And that's all I got. The reason I got these hinges is because it is going to be somewhat of a long ramp, and I want to just cut it in half someplace, add these hinges to it, and be able to flip my ramp and make it half the length so I can easily transport it either in our car or obviously in our storage compartment in the RV. Okay, so step one is completed. We've attached the first piece of hardware, and we have this little attachment here, little pin that just keeps it from sliding off this bar, and it obviously comes out when I just want to remove the ramp. So the next step in the process will be to figure out how long I want this ramp to be. Right now it's whatever this is, 6 or 8 feet. That's going to be too long for me. Plus I want to add hinges to it. So I probably only need maybe 3 or 4 feet, I'm thinking. Okay, so I decided on the total length of the ramp to be 6 feet. So that'll be my cut here. And then to be able to flip it in half, I'll make a 3-foot cut, attach some hinges to it so that my carrying ramp will only be 3 feet long. Okay, so that was the ramp. Pretty simple to build. and I will try it out in the field to see if it really is going to make my life a little bit easier, loading up 2 electric bikes that are 65 pounds each. Time will tell, but for now, I think the idea was there, and I think I built the ramp the way I wanted to, so it's a pretty easy way to hopefully make your life a little easier. Let me know in the comments below if you like this idea. Let me know in the comments below if you had maybe built something similar, or if you've done something different, or if I could have done something different or better. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us some comments below. If you're new here to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that bell button so you can be notified of upcoming videos, and we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching.
See ya!